I haven't done a video in a while, but I think I'll do a quick review on this BOSE SOUNDTOUCH 10 wireless speaker. So I've had this speaker for about a year now, so I got it in an Amazon Prime deal last year, I think. So I think I paid around £150 for it, and I think it's worth every penny. So the only problem I've found with it is sometimes the wireless drops, but I think that's mainly due to my Sky broadband is the main thing, not to do with the actual speaker, because most of my wireless in my house is pretty bad. But I'm going to do a video on that pretty soon on an upgrade that I'm doing. But back to this video. So this speaker has quite a lot of different things that you can do with it. So it can connect devices through Bluetooth, through aux cable, which is the ports on the back, or through wireless. So you can do that through Spotify Connect or through the app, so you can play iTunes and that sort of thing on it. So on top of the speaker, you've got your 6 buttons. So you can program these within the app, so they can do Spotify, so a certain playlist like today's hits or your Discover Weekly on it, or you can do even tuning radio, that sort of thing. So different radio stations you can program into it. So yeah, so it's a really good speaker. I'm going to do a sound test now, and then yeah, so you can get to know what the sound's like. Yeah, so there you go, that's what it sounds like. Obviously it's only, you can hear it from my iPhone 6s speaker or microphone. So you only can hear it from my iPhone 6s microphone, but it's still a great sound. So, you know, it's well worth the money. The bass is good, you know. Yeah, it's a really good speaker overall. I forgot to say on the remote, you've also got these thumbs up, thumbs down buttons. So if you're on Spotify and you know you're on Discover Weekly or something like that, you can just press thumbs up and it gets added to your library. So yeah, it's a really good connected speaker. So I'd definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching.